Hey y'all, Mike D from Jetty Rocks Fishing. Today I'm going to show you guys how to put together and install a hub for your trailer. Hey guys, this is what I'm working with here. I went fishing this morning, and as I was coming home, I noticed my trailer tire was wobbling real bad. So I creeped home, and just as I came into the driveway here, my tire fell off. And this is why. I completely wrung it out. I absolutely have no bearing, no nothing. And you can see all the grease that shot out around the tire here. I took my spindle, I got my spindle all cleaned. I cleaned it of any debris that was on there, any metal shavings. I took a paper towel and cleaned it up real good. So now I got a clean spindle. Well guys, now I'm going to show you how to put together a hub and how to install one. Alright guys, well, I have my hub here, my brand new hub. That's what it looks like coming out of the box. And with it, you have a seal you put on the back side. We'll have this, but I won't be using that. I'll be using a bearing buddy instead. And I have two sets of bearings. I have my 5 lug nuts. And then you have your cotter pin. So basically what we're going to do here is we're going to put a bearing in the back side here, and then we'll put my seal in. We're going to go ahead and grease it up real good. And how I grease up my bearings, I just pack them in here like this all the way around. It is messy, y'all, but that's part of it. Pack it in real good, both sides. Then all of them try to get in between all these little rollers here. Move them back and forth. There we go. Now we'll put some on the race. Grease the race up real good. Alright, we're going to set this in right here. Just like that. Then we'll put our seal in. I'm going to go get a hammer real quick, and I will lightly tap that in. Okay guys, I got my hammer. I'm just going to lightly get that in there. About like that. Alrighty, so now we're going to put the other side in. Pack this in real good. Move it all in there, guys. So get this all in here as good as I can get it. Get it all nice and packed in there, guys, like that. Okay, so about like that. I'm gonna put some grease on the race here. And then we'll stick this right in here. Just like that. Alright, now we'll go grease up my spindle, and we'll set this on there. Alright guys, I'm at the spindle. I'm just going to grease it up real good. Some people have told me that I don't need to do this, but it's just something I've always done. And I seem to have really good luck just making sure I put as much grease as I possibly can on everything. Alright, so I got that. Alright guys, I got my hub on. Now all I gotta do is install my little locking bolt here. Put it on as much as I can hand tight, then I'll have to wrench it in, because you got to get past a little hole that's in there so you can put your cotter pin in. Some hubs go on easier than others. This one actually had to hammer on a little bit. I didn't show that in the video. Some go on real smooth, and others are a little bit of a pain in the butt, like this one was. So now you're just gonna maneuver it around till you find that little hole, so that you can put your cotter pin in. And there it is, I think. There you go. All right, there. All right, guys, I'm gonna put my cotter pin in now. This is the cotter pin. Put it in just like that. And then you're gonna bend out. The best you can so it doesn't stick out, because you gotta put your, about like that. I'll bend them in a little bit more, and then I'll put my bearing buddy. All right, guys, I got my bearing buddy here. Has a little grease fitting here. You're gonna pack the back side of it with grease, install it on your hub, and whenever you need to, you can top it off with some grease with this little grease fitting. Sorry for the noise next door, guys, but they're over there working, loading trucks, so they're making a whole bunch of noise, as you can tell. All right, you got that nice and packed full of grease. And once you get your bearing buddy started, just tap it in gently with a hammer. And just like that. Once you got your bearing buddy installed, you can put one of these little nifty little caps on here. It keeps the water from getting in there. Keeps it all nice, just like that, y'all. All right, we got our hub all installed. Now I gotta take this old one off. While I'm taking these bolts off and getting this tire ready to put back on, once you guys check out these clips, I got two little short clips for y'all. One catching a trout, which I almost fell in the water trying to land the trout, and then a little short clip of a snook. And I'll see you guys back here at the tires. Hooked up, guys. Some trout. Nice trout. Flip-flop broke. Whew. Got the fish though. And my flip-flop broke. Whew. That was funny. Hooked up, y'all. Got a snook right here, I think. Oh yeah. Where's he going? Yep, nice snook. There, buddy. Woo. Alrighty. Nice little snook. Awesome. Come here, buddy. Woohoo! Hook came off. Cool, nice little snook, guys. A little dirty guy. Yeah, he's way under. Come on, buddy. All right, guys, all I got left to do now is put my tire on, and we're good to go.
we're done, guys. Well, hey guys, I hope you all enjoyed that video. Hope you got some useful information out of that. That's just the way I change a hub. I'm no professional at it by any means, but I've done it a few times. And hopefully the way I showed you makes sense to some of y'all and it'll help you guys out. And I also hope you guys enjoy those 2 little clips of fishing this morning. And wasn't a great day, but it was a fun day for as long as it lasted, until the tire mishap, or the hub mishap. Well, I want to thank each and every one of y'all for watching this video and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you guys very much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You guys check out the rest of the channel, see if you like it. Well, y'all, till I get to see you again soon here on the water, tight lines, y'all.